Your car is idling incredibly rough, your fuel economy has tanked, and you are smelling a strong odor of unburned gasoline coming from the tailpipe. When you plug in your diagnostic tool and find a code P2234, your powertrain control module has detected a serious short circuit in the upstream oxygen sensor specifically for bank 2, sensor 1. Your engine relies heavily on these oxygen sensors to act as electronic noses, constantly sniffing the exhaust gases to determine if the air-to-fuel mixture is too rich or too lean. The sensor itself has two distinct parts, a delicate sensing element that generates a tiny voltage signal, and a built-in 12-volt electric heater that warms the sensor up incredibly fast so it can start working almost immediately after you start the engine. When the engine computer detects that the high-voltage 12-volt heater circuit has physically shorted and crossed over into the highly sensitive, low-voltage signal circuit, it instantly throws this code. This is a major problem because that 12-volt spike completely blinds the engine computer, forcing it to guess how much fuel to inject, which is exactly why your engine is running so poorly. Because these sensors are threaded directly into your blazing hot exhaust pipes, the wiring takes an absolute beating. Get safely underneath the vehicle and locate bank 2, which is the side of the engine that does not have cylinder number 1, and find the sensor closest to the engine, before the catalytic converter. Look incredibly closely at the wiring harness. It is very common for the wires to droop down, touch the scorching exhaust manifold, and melt all the insulation away, fusing the heater wires and the signal wires together into a shorted mess. If the external wiring harness looks perfectly fine, the short circuit is almost certainly happening deep inside the sensor body itself. You can verify this by unplugging the sensor and using a digital multimeter to check for continuity between the heater pins and the signal pins. If you find continuity where there should be none, that oxygen sensor is internally fried and you will need to thread in a new one to get your engine running smoothly again.